The Samsung Galaxy S27 Ultra might not even be official yet, but the leaks coming out right now are already creating massive excitement across the tech world. And honestly, if even half of these rumors turn out to be true, Samsung could be preparing one of the biggest smartphone upgrades we've seen in years. For the last few generations, many users felt that flagship phones were becoming too predictable. Better chips, slightly improved cameras, and a few software tweaks. But the Galaxy S27 Ultra could be different. Samsung appears to be focusing on real-world improvements that users actually care about: battery life, camera performance, AI features, security, and overall usability. So what exactly is Samsung planning? Let's dive into everything leaked so far about the Galaxy S27 Ultra. Starting with the cameras, Samsung may once again push smartphone photography to a completely new level. According to recent reports, the Galaxy S27 Ultra could feature an upgraded 200-megapixel primary sensor. While Samsung already uses high-resolution cameras, this new sensor is rumored to be significantly larger and more advanced, allowing it to capture more light than ever before. What does that mean for users? Sharper photos, improved detail, better dynamic range, and dramatically enhanced low-light photography. Night shots could become brighter, cleaner, and more natural-looking without relying heavily on software processing. But that's not the most exciting part. Samsung is also rumored to be bringing variable aperture technology back in a much more advanced form. This would allow the camera to physically adjust how much light enters the lens depending on the scene. In bright daylight, the aperture could become narrower for sharper details, while in darker environments it could open wider to capture more light. For content creators, photographers, and mobile videographers, this could be a game-changing feature. Then there's the zoom camera. A new technology known as ALOP, or All Lenses on Prism, is reportedly being tested for the Galaxy S27 Ultra. If implemented, Samsung could significantly improve zoom quality while making the camera module thinner than previous Ultra models. That means better long-range photography without the huge camera bump many users dislike. Some leaks even suggest Samsung may remove the 10MP3x telephoto sensor entirely and replace it with a more efficient solution. The goal seems to be creating a simpler but smarter camera system that delivers better results in everyday situations. Now let's talk about what could become the biggest upgrade of all: the battery. Battery life has become one of the most important factors when buying a smartphone, and Samsung reportedly knows it. According to multiple industry insiders, the Galaxy S27 Ultra could finally adopt next-generation silicon-carbon battery technology. This breakthrough could allow Samsung to fit an enormous battery inside the phone without making it larger or heavier. Some rumors suggest the battery capacity could approach an incredible 7,000 mAh. Think about that for a second. Most flagship smartphones today still sit around the 5,000 mAh mark. A battery approaching 7,000 mAh could completely change how people use their phones. Heavy users might finally get 2 full days of battery life, while average users could potentially go even longer between charges. And Samsung isn't expected to stop there. Fast charging speeds may also receive a major upgrade. Reports indicate charging could increase to 65 W or possibly even higher. That means less time plugged into the wall and more time actually using your phone. Whether you're gaming, streaming, recording 4K videos, editing photos, or running AI-powered applications, the Galaxy S27 Ultra could easily keep up. Performance is another area where Samsung appears ready to dominate. The Galaxy S27 Ultra is rumored to feature Qualcomm's next-generation Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 Pro processor. Built using an advanced 2-nanometer manufacturing process, this chip could offer significant improvements in speed, efficiency, and AI performance. Early rumors suggest clock speeds could approach 5 GHz, making it one of the fastest smartphone processors ever created. Combined with up to 16 GB of RAM, users can expect seamless multitasking, faster app launches, smoother gaming performance, and enhanced AI processing capabilities. Speaking of AI, Samsung is expected to push Galaxy AI even further with the S27 Ultra. Real-time translation, advanced photo editing, intelligent battery management, AI writing tools, productivity enhancements, and smarter voice assistants could all become even more powerful thanks to the new hardware. Storage options are expected to start at 256 GB and go all the way up to a massive 1 TB configuration, giving users plenty of room for photos, videos, games, and large AI-powered applications. When it comes to design, Samsung isn't expected to completely reinvent the Galaxy Ultra formula. Instead, leaks suggest the company is focusing on refinement. The Galaxy S27 Ultra could become lighter, thinner, and more comfortable to hold while maintaining the premium materials and durability users expect from Samsung's flagship lineup. The iconic S Pen is also expected to remain integrated into the device, continuing to offer productivity features that set the Ultra series apart from competing smartphones. Samsung may also introduce subtle design improvements around the camera housing, frame, and overall ergonomics to create a cleaner and more modern appearance. Security could see one of the biggest upgrades in years. A new technology known as Polar ID facial recognition has been heavily rumored for the Galaxy S27 Ultra. Unlike traditional face unlock systems, Polar ID may be capable of distinguishing real faces from masks, photos, and other spoofing attempts with much greater accuracy. Even more interesting, this technology may not require a large camera cutout or visible sensor array, helping Samsung maintain a cleaner display design. Users are also expected to get Samsung's latest ultrasonic in-display fingerprint scanner, providing multiple secure authentication methods. Of course, no Ultra smartphone would be complete without an incredible display. The Galaxy S27 Ultra is expected to feature a stunning 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED panel with adaptive refresh rates ranging from 1Hz to 120Hz. This technology allows the phone to intelligently adjust refresh rates depending on what's happening on screen. When gaming or scrolling, users get ultra-smooth visuals. When reading static content, the display lowers refresh rates to save battery life. Samsung's displays are already considered among the best in the industry, and the S27 Ultra could raise the bar even further with improved brightness, color accuracy, and outdoor visibility. On the software side, the device is expected to launch with Android 17 and Samsung's One UI 9.5 interface. Samsung has become one of the leaders in software support, and the Galaxy S27 Ultra is expected to continue offering up to 7 years of Android updates and security patches. That level of long-term support makes the device not just a flagship for today, but a smartphone designed to stay relevant for years into the future. As for pricing, there is some concern that costs could increase due to more expensive components and advanced battery technology. However, Samsung appears focused on delivering meaningful upgrades rather than small yearly improvements. For users holding onto older Galaxy phones, the Galaxy S27 Ultra could represent one of the most compelling upgrade opportunities in recent memory. So, is the Galaxy S27 Ultra shaping up to be Samsung's best smartphone ever? Based on everything leaked so far, the answer could very well be yes. A potentially massive battery, upgraded 200MP camera system, next-generation Snapdragon processor, advanced AI features, improved security, refined design, and Samsung's industry-leading display technology all point toward a flagship that aims to set a new standard for premium smartphones. Of course, these details remain leaks and rumors for now, and Samsung has yet to officially confirm any of them. But if the company delivers on even most of these expectations, the Galaxy S27 Ultra could become one of the most exciting smartphone releases of 2027. What feature are you most excited about? The giant battery, the new camera technology, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 Pro, or the AI upgrades? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Samsung Galaxy S27 Ultra updates and leaks.